AI design with income potential between 100 and 200 an hour. Isn't it wild how quick things have moved? I remember when I used to get AI to create images for me back in the day, 6 months ago. If you look closely enough, the image had like 6 fingers or 3 eyeballs. And now with a lot of these generative image AI tools, it's almost photorealistic what you can get AI to do when it comes to design. Design is no longer about your ability, it's about the creativity of your ideas. I want to teach you the skills that you're going to need to master AI design that my media team taught me to help them create projects 5 times faster. Number 1 is generative photo. The key is to learn how to master the prompts that you enter so that it can generate these photorealistic images. And the best way to do that is just ask AI to teach you. I use it all the time. I used it last week to generate new hot sauce called Buy Back Your Tongue, which is a fun project, putting my logo all over the place. Sometimes I get excited. I want to design new key designs for my supercar collection because, hey, custom keys are cool. I'm not a designer. Guess what? AI is, and it made it look freaking amazing. Number 2, you're gonna make a ton of money, and that's learning how to do photo editing using AI. Think about all these people that have like old images that are low resolution. You can use Photoshop AI or even Topaz to do photo editing using AI natively in the tool, and it's not hard to learn. You can do this. If I can figure this out, so can you. Number 3, web design. Not only can you use AI to design the websites, you can use it to actually code the websites. There's tools like Figma that has AI plugins that'll actually cut it up and build it into the finished product, or Reloom.io that just does it all for you. That's how you're going to make the big bucks. Where everybody else used to pay $15,000, $20,000 to build websites, you can do it for a fraction of that and keep the balance.
So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.